Hey guys, this is my second video, and look, you see the one with no tail? His name is Raspberry. My brother made it up, and he's eating worm. But I'm gonna show you the lizards, how do they eat, and what did they eat. Well, they like to eat waxworm, crickets, any small animal bugs they can possibly eat, and this is where we're gonna feed them. I'm feeding them. I put some worms before, but we're just putting them more, so yeah. I mean, this is how it looks like on the inside. It looks like Rice Krispie treats with worms, I guess. And I'm gonna put one in right now. Putting some more fuel because they like to eat. Before we put crickets, but they ate them all, and I'm pretty sure they would eat a lot of worms. So just like put a few. This is not for you guys. I'm just kidding. It's a billion. Billion. And we're gonna just wait and look at him. One is trying to eat again. His sweetheart. Look, he's eating a worm. See, guys? They're looking for food. I'll place them right in the middle. Chomp, chomp, hammy crop. And, oh look.
He's eating it.
He's gonna eat no one. Yeah, that's what my brother said. He's gonna eat no one. See? See, guys? This is what I always feed. I always feed them crickets, waxworm, and these guys. Mealworms. Small. And, yeah. So, but there's supposed to be a big giant rock on top of the small rocks, but we just took them out before they could eat first. Then we're gonna put it back before they could sleep. Or do something, hide under there. But right now the dude just chilling on your yellow. Look, he's chilling.
He ate again.
Chomp, chomp. Well, I know, maybe that's just weird, but whatever. And look like he's finished. So hopefully they can find no one. And yeah. And don't comment about we don't take care of animals. It's just that he got scared of something, and then we made a lot of noise, and then he just injected tails because when like a predator about to eat them, they inject their tail for the time as a worm, and he survived, and the tail get eaten. And don't worry, the tail will regrow eventually. And I don't really do much now. After when he eats, I'm not even looking at any more food anymore. And looks like he's finished. Now he's looking for more food. I'm pretty sure. Also, you should check out our first video. It's 13 seconds, but anyway, you should check it out. And make sure to subscribe and make a thumbs up. And yeah, what I just said. So I'm gonna have to end it here. So bye, guys.